Jamaica. This is Rambo, Jamaica Good Life. Right now we're there in Norway now. We're at the castle, you know. We'll soon be able to come to the castle. The castle soon finish up. So the room we stay at is gonna be for Airbnb, and you can come to the mountains. Yes, you can come to the mountains. So finishing up the castle, so you can come and wake up in the morning to the mountains. This is Jamaica Good Life. House number 1. We'll give you the good life like this, right in Norway where everything started. So this is Jamaica Good Life. Where you gonna stay? See it there? Yeah, man. And you wake up in the morning with your wife, and this is what you'll see. You'll be on the balcony when it's done. Okay? And you make your tea and your coffee and everything. So we're working on things to get it up and running. The kitchen is being set up. So you walk right out. Walk right outside your balcony, and this is what you'll see in the morning. Yes, you get the nice fresh air, and then you bring your filtered water. You purchase your filtered water, and then you have them cook for you. Remember Norway, people. Yeah, man. So this lushful vibration. Yes, this is home sweet home right here. You get up and see the sunrise in the morning. Yes. It's my chair right there. So we're gonna work with builders and finishing up soon. 2 more rooms is being built down there. So you can come to the country in Norway, in Jamaica, near Craighead, near Christiana or Mile Gully, and you come look at the mountains. You will have the best food, and you'll be guided by Denny. So Denny will take you to the mountains. Yes, people. Randy's here, completing the mission. I told you guys, one day you're gonna be able to stay here and listen to the pigs. Yeah. This is it. This is Jamaica Good Life. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, people. See the people. This is Jamaica Good Life. See a John Craighead.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See the people. Mm. Tell her no. Say the vibration and the elevation supreme. You know what I'm saying? So everything is everything. Everything is beautimous. This is beauty that you have to see for yourself. So we're going to be renting the mansion soon. So stay tuned. Text me 646-330-9150. So anything up and running, your room is ready. When you can come and have breakfast, put a little table there for you, and the locals them cook for you. Just have some little small thing. When you have the best, you guys are gonna have the best view in the world. Best breakfast right here in Norway, near Malgully. We have our first guest, and the room's not even ready. And how did you like the view this morning?
Beautiful.
Yeah, the experience, right? It's heavenly.
It's breathtaking.
Hmm.
It's
When you take in the breath, you took it. You breathed it in, actually.
it nearly took my breath away.
Took your breath away?
Yes,
When you woke up and saw the sunrise from there?
I sure did. It was amazing.
Hmm.
You know,
You didn't know you were coming to a place like this?
I didn't even know I was coming.
Uh-oh.
I was just
So
brought
your
here by
journey
an
to
angel.
Jamaica for healing, you're like, wow, I made it to Mount Zion.
No, I'm halfway there.
You're halfway there. You're gonna
I have
climb
to
the
climb
mountain
the mountain. Then
today. Yeah. How are you looking forward to the climb?
I'm sweating from inside.
But you're gonna pace yourself. We're gonna climb that mountain. There's a road that go to Mount Zion. The name of the church when you come here for your expedition, that was my school, Gotti School. Okay. My first basic school. There's a church for my grandmother up there, and we're gonna ring a bell once for Lisa. You're gonna have the bell rang for you in Mount Zion. We call it Mount Zion up there because that's where all the ancestors, the highest place around where we are. And the next place that's higher than this, there's a telescope for Cuba near to it. So we're near Trelawney. Trelawney's that way. And this is Norway, Manchester, near Craighead or Christiana. So you're going to be able to stay here, my friends, and meet Rambo on the team. And the locals are going to cook for you and meet everybody. And if you're strong enough to make the trek, you're going to go dig yams at the bush. You know, you're going to roast saltfish on zinc with grapefruit juice. You're going to have roast yams and explore the farm and everything. So one step at a time. And 2 rooms are being ready for you here. And this is the Jamaica Good Life headquarters in Norway. The entire team of people in the community will assist you. If you want Manish water, Pops will cook it. If you want pork, Baba will cook it. So, until next time, take care of yourself. People, see this? Let me show you this. People don't understand it now. You see when I start the movement?
This your cup started.
You see this your cup here, brother? The whole of Jamaica will get help. And the movement will lift up Jamaica. And me and the cup here. Yeah. You see, Rambo. And because you've been such a great help. This significant, you know. And you get it. You see, you get. So when you go bush, make your tea, lock him up, throw him in a bag. No, so you get the legendary gear from the man himself. You see me? And there's more legendary item I have. People, this is Jamaica Good Life. 25 years in the mission. I'm going to give Rambo. You know, that is a great gift because I love it. Every time I see it, I know the struggles when I sleep on the floor, when people disrespect me. People say me nah go be nothing. You nah make nothing of yourself and me and the cup. You see, Denny, come over here, sir. Yeah. Go help her up. Denny, I'm gonna mash it there for you. You remember the cup?
Oh, you mash it, eh?
You remember the cup?
You remember that one here? I think you have so much of it.
Oh, well, you have what other me? I get to Rambo. And I give. Go for my mash it. Help Lisa out. Lisa, Rambo get the award of awards. This is mean a lot to me. I never wanted to give this up.
No.
This means everything to me.
No, Rambo doesn't get no award. I didn't get breakfast. What the hell is happening here? Okay, the awards of the awards.
This is it. I never wanted to give this up. This is for the museum.
Oh, okay.
You know Bob Marley and the Wheelers and thing. So when them ask you, how great are you? Tell them say, no, me have the general cup. You never want to get up. But because you're so great, brother, and honest, and you're straightforward. Me did I go give him Lisa cup, you know. But me say, no, what is more valuable than Lisa cup? This cup?
No.
Cause if me did give a Lisa cup, you'd kill me.
No. See,
Cause Lisa give me one and replace this through love. But this?
look at Rambo. Rambo's like, well, I don't understand this award, but it will be good. It will be good for some tea.
Tea. No,
or
man.
a cold drink.
When you see that cup here, it's about trust.
Yeah.
No, say, me trust you.
Mm-hmm.
Because me trust everything will come out of this. You see?
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Excuse me.
yes. Hi.
This is
brother
King Mackie.
King Mackie, how you doing?
Good, fine.
Yeah, you look like Bubba, and I haven't even seen Bubba yet. So you see, I see the resemblance.
So me tell you now, we know why you build me. In other structure, and then we don't celebrate that this past policy.
You don't celebrate King.
No, sir.
What do you celebrate? Lord?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Last keeps you well going, but King destroyed.
All right, my brother. See, so Lord Mackie is knighted Lord Mackie. Lord Mackie.
Yes.
All right, Lord Mackie.
Govern,
Lord Mackie must be in the front, Denny.
govern. That's the good water. That's the good water. I'm gonna make some porridge with that.
Yeah.
And my charger. So Lord Mackie. Lord Mackie. That's a better name.
Lord
Yes.
Mackie.
Wait. I seal you, Lord Mackie.
If we
Yeah. And that one over there, I don't know. What do you call him?
Rambo.